Hi friends, welcome to my homeschooling. Today we shall learn a 7 times table trick which you can do in less than a minute. So first let's revise 7 times table and then learn the trick. Okay. So 7 times 1 is 7, 7 times 2 is 14, 7 times 3 is 21, 7 times 4 is 28, 7 times 5 is 35, 7 times 6 is 42, 7 times 7 is 49, 7 times 8 is 56, 7 times 9 is 63, 7 times 10 is 70. So how to do this in a simpler way I will be teaching you. First we need to write 1 from the right top to bottom. 2, 3, then continue the same way from top to bottom. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So once you do this, now you start writing from left top and move on to the right. Write 0, start with 0, 1, 2 and take this number over here. The 2 number you need to take here. 2, 3, 4 and take this number again down. 4, 5, 6 and 70. So this will not take more than half a minute also, I guess, when you are starting with your exam or any other time. In the side of the exam paper you can just write the 7 time table and do it also. And when you see this grid only, your mind will get registered in a photogenic way that this is what it comes, 7 1s are 7, 7 2s are 14. The same way it get registered in your mind. So hope this trick was helpful for you. I also have some more table videos which is uploaded. I'll share the link in the description. Kindly check. Okay. Hope this trick was useful for you. If you like this, kindly share, subscribe and like the channel. Thank you. Happy learning.